This is ANYmo, a four-legged robot that can walk and operate autonomously in the environment. Thanks to built-in springs, its joints are resilient and can cushion bumps. The movements of its legs and optimal force distribution on the ground are controlled by software that maximizes balance and stability. ANYmo is equipped with 3D laser sensors that allow the robot to perceive its surroundings and navigate autonomously within the environment. This enables ANYmo to detect and overcome obstacles and to walk on rough terrain. Four-legged robots like ANYmo might eventually be used to carry out inspections in industrial facilities or to perform search and rescue operations that are too dangerous for human beings. With the support of Wyss Zurich, the ANYmotion team aims to bring ANYmo to the market and find commercial uses of its technologies in multiple types of applications.
For us researchers, it's great to see if the technologies we're developing will eventually end in a product. And now with the Wyss, we can really do this. We can push our developments into products that will work out in the field.
Well, to be on this project really means a totally new experience. It's a great experience working with these young people and for once in a life having the chance to develop a totally new product and introduce it into the market.